Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. I don't know the name of this stitch, but it looks so good and I want to share it with you. I know this color is a little too dark, so I will use a light color now. I use this yarn Kartopu cotton mix for make this one and use 4mm crochet hook, and now I will use Lamia X large mercerise and 4mm crochet hook again. I want to show you the changes, differences between yarns. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn twice around my finger and take this like that. And close it. Now we will make chains. It's not important how many chains you have. It must be an even number. Just be sure about it and make these chains loosely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 20. That's enough for me just now. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 chains and into the next chain. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull it through. I have 3 loops on my loop. Yarn over and pull it through from all these 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. And insert your hook into the same space. Yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops, and that's a single crochet. We will make a half double and single crochet into same chain. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, yarn over and make a half double crochet into the next chain and a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and into the next chain make a half double and a single. Chain 1, skip 1. We will repeat the same thing for all the row. Skip 1. Skip 1, half double crochet and single crochet. Half double, single. And that's the last one. Half double and single. You see there is 2 chain left. Chain 1, yarn over, skip this one and into the last chain make a half double and we complete our first row. For the second row, we will start with chain 3. This chain 3 is a half double crochet and 1 chain space. You can think it like that. Turn your work. You see this single and half double crochet. Between them there is a stitch. I will make a half double inside the stitch and a single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, and between these 2 stitches make a half double and a single. Chain 1 into the same space, make a half double and a single. You see, it's a really easy pattern, and you can make some spring shawls with that, or summer tops. I think that yarn will be look very good with this model. Maybe I can make a summer top with that pattern and that yarn. And you can use this one as a quick throw if you want. I keep making half doubles and singles, then chain 1, half double and single, chain 1, and one last time half double, single, chain 1, and usually we have 3 chains here. Into the second chain I will make a half double crochet, chain 3 and turn. I will show you one more time. Into here, make a half double and a single, chain 1, half double, single, chain 1, and keep repeating same things. I'm at the end, and that's my last single crochet, chain 1, and into this second chain insert your hook, take the yarn and make a half double. It's like that. I hope you like this tutorial. I will show both of this now. As I told you, you can use them anywhere you want. And if you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, Siris Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me anytime you want. And I'll wait for your comments. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a lovely day.